Right now, free money is being handed out on the blockchain, and 99% of people are too slow or too distracted to notice. If you're between 18 and 30, chasing financial freedom and that dream lifestyle, here's the truth. Crypto airdrops are the easiest, most overlooked way to build wealth with zero investment. But you have to act before the window closes, and trust me, they always close. Stick around, because I'm about to show you 5 airdrops you can claim right now. And one of them could be the reason you check your wallet tomorrow and see 5 figures from thin air. Let's start with the basics. An airdrop is like an early Christmas present from blockchain projects. Except instead of socks from grandma, it's potentially thousands in new tokens, dropped straight into your wallet. Why do they do this? Hype, adoption, buzz. They want you, the early adopter, to test, talk, and spread the word. But here's the kicker. If you're not paying attention, you miss out entirely. Think of it like walking past a suitcase of cash on the sidewalk while scrolling TikTok. Yeah, don't be that guy. Number 1, Layer 0, ZRO. This cross-chain protocol is rumored to be the next Arbitrum moment. Just interact with Stargate Finance or Bridge Small Funds using Layer 0 integrations. Rumors of a snapshot are swirling. And early users. They usually get rewarded big. Don't wait for confirmation. The whales aren't. Number 2, ZK Sync. If you've used Zk Sync Era, congratulations. You may already qualify. But here's the twist. Most people haven't bridged assets and made a swap. Do both. Now, because this one has real Ethereum vibes from 2016, could this be the one that mints tomorrow's crypto millionaires? Time will tell. 3, Starknet. Use the Starknet wallet, do a few test swaps on Jedi Swap or the native bridge, and you're golden. It's all testnet now. But the last guy who played on testnets in 2020, he made enough to buy a Tesla. Image of Elon Musk holding Doge. Okay, maybe a used one, but still. Number 4, Eigenlayer. This one's different. It's for ETH holders. You restake your ETH to secure other networks. And the reward? Let's just say VCs are throwing money at this like it's Black Friday. You'll want to be early. Sure 5, Blast. Yes, it's controversial. Yes, it's invite only. But users are already earning Blast points and gold. Use the referral system, deposit ETH or stables, and watch the points stack. But the real secret? It's not just about claiming once. It's about compounding these moves into lasting wealth. This isn't just about airdrops. It's about the mindset of catching waves before the crowd, of turning opportunities into capital, and capital into freedom. But here's the next level. What if you reinvested these free gains and let time do the heavy lifting for you? Tap the video on your screen now. I'll show you the power of compounding and why small wins today can lead to generational wealth tomorrow. Don't leave money on the table. Don't be average. Be early.